Target's 2%. They're nowhere near 2% yet, which says work's still to be done. Now, the fact that they're easing off ahead of that shows a degree of complacency in my view. Now, they may be looking at the data and going, it's going back to 2%. That's fine, but why signal this when you've got the data coming through as strong as it is, you've got unemployment as low as it is? Why are you signaling that we're going to cut rates? Because to me, there's only one reason that people say, oh, what do they know that we don't about the economy? To me, that's a signal purely to markets. And it speaks to this idea that what the Fed really care about is market stability. And I think that if they do this, there is so much liquidity sloshing around in the financial system. It's there for everybody to see. You know, the fact that NFTs are still a thing again, right, tells you rates are nowhere near high enough, right? So I think that inflation is in a very dangerous spot. Again, you know, you want to hang this mission accomplished banner. I think it's too early. I think the right messaging for the Fed was we're going to pause here and we're going to keep rates here until we are absolutely certain that inflation is returning to our target levels, because, hey, that's our job. 2% inflation, stable unemployment. That's our job. And so until we are confident that it's going to get there, we're going to hold rates here. It's okay. The world can stomach 5% rates, as the world has proven on average for our 100 years. So no, I'm very wary, and I think the Fed are kowtowing to the market, trying to send a message to markets not to fight inflation, and that's a dangerous thing for them to do at this point, I think.